Hagajigula kay Santos Trophy final round happening ko Surveys per Shah ika Meghalaya. Haba phai shak nang chingla kay ka Surveys kala yo bat pen khi jar deng kong haga minit ka ba arpeu lengbo jiron. Haga minit ka ba lai peu ko Meghalaya kala yo ika penalty. Henry ka klemla ban penrung ya ka penalty. Badai haga minit ka ba lai peu sau ka Surveys kala yo biang ban tap ya ka gul ka ba ar lengbo power. Henry hashwa ban kut ka kela step kata haga minit ka ba sau peu san plus iway. Ka Meghalaya kala yo ban tap ya ka gul ka ba ningkong lengbo day bon ma me tongper. Badhadu bukur ka kela step ka Surveys ka tam ya ka Meghalaya da ar la ka way. Haba phai pat sha ka kela mid ka Meghalaya kala yo ban tap ya ka gul pen ya khaj haga minit ka ban riu peu sau. Badia ka ni ka gul la yo biang ban tap lengbo day bon ma me tongper. Haga minit ka ba nyau peu nyau rang le kai ka Meghalaya pula yo pedang ya ka red card. Badhadu bukur ka jing le kai baro ar teligi ken hun kia khaj da mar ar gol. Baleng ba ka ni ka nam ya khaj ka Meghalaya kala hiar sha ka kerdan ka balai haga mi ya khen point haga ba ka Railways kala kiu naga group B. Bagi ken hun ki badon hadu ke kerdan ke basau hiyo benrum sha quarter final.
Meghalaya's turn. Robertson having to work very hard. Owaniju has come back to the right. Chips in across, almost a perfect delivery and a picture perfect goal to get one step in the right direction. Wonderfully done by Meghalaya. Qualities. It's not over. Such a delightful ball in with a perfect header from Diego Camper. Look at work from Owaniju to control it. Sees the runner between the two defenders. He was right in the area and he knows how. This time it is Robertson with the corner kick. Robertson to the centre, and there is the goal they were looking for. Back in the game. Praise for Diego. The eagerness and the motivation to come back in the game. Robertson delivers at the right place and Diego Mametonko converts another. Similar area of the net where it landed in the first.